This is a B series Del Sol. We're going to replace the top gasket in the VTEC Solenoid, which is right here. So we're going to remove these three 10mm bolts right there. You can just kind of move your valve wires out of the way to get to it. If it's really bugging you, then you can undo your distributor cap and take this off and just kind of put the whole thing to the side, but I'm just going to leave it in place. It's not too hard to get to those 3 bolts. Once we've removed these 3 bolts, all you have to do is just lift this off, and here's the gasket that we're replacing right there. Here you can see the old gasket on the left, the new one we're going to put in on the right. This is the underside of the solenoid. I just turned it upside down. You can see the groove where it's supposed to fit in, and the new gasket is definitely thicker than the old ones, and this was leaking, so I believe that somebody had put in a cheap gasket in here which didn't completely make the seal, so we're going to hope that this takes care of that. The gasket kit I got is from K-Motor Performance. It came with both of the solenoid gaskets. Right now we're just going to change that upper one. Everything's reassembled. Just torque these down to 9 foot-pounds and you should be good to go.